Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be bringing you a good mock interview and oath ceremony to help you prepare for your U.S. citizenship test. Generally speaking, after you pass the interview, you will be scheduled for your oath ceremony. You should receive a notice by mail within 3 to 6 weeks of your citizenship interview. After that, the oath ceremony should be scheduled within the next few weeks. In some offices, USCIS may give you the option to take the oath on the same day as your interview. In this case, you have to leave the office and come back later to attend your oath ceremony. All right, now it's time to practice your citizenship interview and same-day oath ceremony. Please do not hesitate to ask me if you have any questions.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Good morning. I'm doing all right. Citizenship interview?
Yes, I have an interview appointment at 8:30.
Can I have your appointment letter, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. All right. Your interview room will be door 4. Please have a seat. The officer will call you shortly.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mr. Hyun Kim.
That's me. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. How are you today?
Very good. Thank you. I am Officer Johnny. I will be conducting your interview. Please follow me. You can put your bag on the desk and remain standing. I will need to place you under oath before beginning the interview. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Please be seated.
Thank you.
Please give me your appointment paperwork, your permanent resident card, driver's license, and your passport.
Here you go.
Thank you. Did you come here with your family today?
No, I came by myself.
Did you drive?
Yes, I did.
How was the traffic today?
It was okay. I tried to leave home early to avoid the traffic jam. Everything was good.
Great. How far do you live from here?
I live in Richmond. It takes me an hour to get here.
Now I'm going to collect your fingerprints and take your picture. Can you put your right index finger on the scanner? Awesome. Now switch to your left index finger, please. All right, please take a look at the camera. I will take your picture. Everything looks perfect. Do you know how to use the iPad?
Yes, I know.
We will start with the English reading and writing test. Can you read the sentence on the iPad?
Who was Abraham Lincoln?
Now I'll read to you a sentence. Can you write that sentence down on the iPad? Please take the pen. Lincoln was the president during the Civil War. Perfect. Have you studied for the 100 Civics questions?
Yes, I study every day since I sent my application.
Sounds good. I will ask you up to 10 questions. You will pass the civics test if you answer 6 questions correctly. Here is the first question. What is the economic system in the United States?
Market economy.
What does the president's cabinet do?
Advises the president.
What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen?
Be loyal to the United States.
What did Martin Luther King Jr. do?
Fought for civil rights.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
Now is the last question. If you can answer correctly, I will stop the civics test. What is one reason colonists came to America?
Freedom.
Perfect. You passed the civics portion.
Thank you.
All right. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Ha-Yun Kim. I am 41 years old. I'm a machine operator at Motion Industries. I have been a lawful permanent resident for 7 years.
Can you say your first name?
My first name is Ha-Yun.
Kim is your last name, correct?
Yes, correct.
What is the name that appears on your green card?
Ha-Yun Kim is the name that appears on my green card.
Have you used any other names before?
No,
You never changed your name, correct?
yes, correct.
You want to change your name to Matt Kim?
No, I changed my mind. I just want to keep my current name. Can you update my N400 application?
Okay, updated.
Thank you.
You became a permanent resident through your brother, is that correct?
Yes, it's correct.
On what date did you get your permanent resident card?
April 21st, 2016.
When did you come to the U.S.?
I came to the US on April 21st, 2016.
Did you ever come to the U.S. before?
No,
Do you plan to live in the U.S. permanently?
yes, I do. I'm going to live here permanently.
What is your date of birth?
September 4, 1982.
And please give me your social security number.
691-866542.
In which country were you born?
I was born in South Korea.
Are you a citizen of South Korea?
Yes, I am.
Do you have citizenship in another country?
No,
How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet 6 inches tall.
What is your hair color?
My hair color is black.
Your current address is 1503 Pecan Branch Drive, Richmond, Texas 77406.
No, I changed the address after I submitted my application. I currently live at 410 Land Grant Drive, Richmond, Texas 77406.
When did you move to this address?
I moved there on October 17, 2022.
Is this also your mailing address?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I will update your information right now. Give me 1 second.
Thank you.
All right. How long have you lived at the previous address?
I lived at the previous address for 4 years.
Where else have you lived in the last 5 years?
I lived in Austin before. The address is 6803 Grove Street, Austin, Texas, 78741.
Okay. What is your occupation?
I am a machines operator.
Where do you work for?
I work at Motion Industries.
How long have you worked at Motion Industries?
I worked there for about 4 years.
You began working there on March 6th, 2019. Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Where did you work before that?
I worked at PLC Industries before that.
What did you do?
I was a machine setup and operator.
Where else have you worked in the last 5 years?
That's it.
Have you ever worked at MSC Industrial?
No, I don't know that company.
All right. Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
How many times have you been married?
I have been married 2 times.
When did you get divorced?
I got divorced on May 15, 2013.
Do you have the divorced paperwork with you today?
Yes, here you go.
All right. When did you get married with your current spouse?
I got married on July 11, 2015.
What is your current spouse's full name?
Her full name is John Haley.
What is your current spouse's birth date?
July 18, 1985.
What country is your spouse from?
She is from South Korea.
Is your spouse a citizen of South Korea?
No, she is a US citizen. She became a US citizen last year.
How many times has your spouse been married?
She has been married 1 time.
Do you have any children, including your children from the previous marriage?
Total, I have 3 children. 2 children from my current marriage and 1 child from my previous marriage.
Are all your children biological to you?
Yes,
Do your children from your previous marriage live with you right now?
no, he doesn't live with me right now.
Do you pay your child support?
Yes, I pay every month.
Do you have a copy of court documents showing your child support payments and your payment receipts?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Is Junwoo Kim your son from your previous marriage?
Yes, it's correct.
What is his date of birth?
December 27, 2011.
Now I will review your travel history. Have you taken any trips of more than 24 hours outside the U.S. in the last 5 years?
Yes, I have 1 trip outside the US in the last 5 years.
How long were you gone on this trip?
I was gone 16 days.
Did you leave the U.S. on January 5th, 2021?
Yes,
When did you come back to the U.S.?
I came back on January 21st, 2021.
Did you go to Singapore on this trip?
Yes, I did.
Have you taken any trips after you filed your N400 form?
No, I haven't.
Did you ever make any trips to Mexico in the last 5 years?
No, I did not take any trips to Mexico before.
Okay. Have you ever filed your tax return since you became a lawful permanent resident?
Yes, I file tax return every year since I became a permanent resident.
Did you ever sign up to vote in the United States?
No, I never signed up to vote in the US.
Why?
Because I'm not a US citizen.
Have you ever been a member of or in any way associated with a totalitarian party?
No,
Were you a member of the Communist Party in South Korea?
no,
Were you ever involved in badly hurting or trying to hurt a person on purpose?
no,
Do you file taxes every year?
yes, I file taxes every year.
Do you owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes?
No, I don't.
Were you ever a member of, or did you ever serve in, help, or otherwise participate in paramilitary unit?
No,
What is paramilitary unit?
like a military group, but it's not official.
Did you ever work for the military in any country?
No,
Have you ever assisted in committing a crime or offense for which you were not arrested?
no,
What does it mean to be arrested?
it means handcuffed by the police.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I understand.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I'm willing to.
Have you ever received a suspended sentence, been placed on probation, or been paroled?
No,
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by the police for any reason?
no,
Did you ever have to go to court for breaking the law?
no,
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
yes, I'm willing to.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I'm willing to.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No, I haven't.
Did you ever lie to the U.S. government to come into the U.S. or get immigration benefits?
No,
Good. Now, can you please review your updated application? Make sure everything is correct and let me know if you find any errors.
everything is good. Thank you for updating my application.
You're welcome. Please move down to the last page and sign at the bottom. Great. Now, also review some words of the Oath of Allegiance. Make sure your name is correct, and if you are willing to take the oath, please sign at the bottom. Awesome. Congratulations. You passed the interview today.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to hear that.
You're welcome. We plan to administer the oath of allegiance this afternoon at 2:30. This is your test result and your paperwork. Please come back later for the oath ceremony. Please arrive at least 30 minutes before your scheduled ceremony to check in, okay?
Yes.
Do you have any questions at this point?
Yes, I have a question. What floor does the oath ceremony take place?
This will be second floor.
Thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you very much.
All right. See you later.
Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us at the oath ceremony today. Please stand up, raise your right hand, and repeat after me. I hereby declare on oath that I absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state, or sovereignty, of whom or which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by the law, that I will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States when required by law, that I will perform work of national importance under civilian direction when required by law, and that I will take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion, so help me God. Congratulations! You are officially U.S. citizen.